If you're looking for a fresh new wallpaper application that can not only give you a set of really cool live wallpapers, but also show you guys exactly how minimal a good live wallpaper can be instead of being traditionally flashy, Liveloop is an application that I think you guys will thoroughly enjoy. So as I said, this is a live wallpaper application with a lot of minimal and abstract backgrounds turned into live wallpapers. For example, if we look at the one over here, which is basically a set of the PlayStation icons, all you have to do is click on it and load it, and this is what the wallpaper looks like. I think personally a wallpaper app like this is really cool, and if you want a fresh new wallpaper on your phone, this is the app to go ahead and try out. And well guys, with that said, we come to the 7 best Android applications for the month of April in 2022. I've been away, but that was because I was vlogging, as I said in my previous video, which reminds me, if you still haven't checked out the giveaway that's running right now on this channel, go click on the card above and you can be a person who can win a Amazon gift card of up to 5,000 rupees. Of course, the video is live, the giveaway is still going on, so be sure to hit the card above and check that out. With that said, let's over to the second application of the list, and this is called DeepL. Now, in case you need a good translation application, which of course does not need to be filled with a lot of features, but just needs to do a simple job of translation, an offline application whenever you're outside or whenever you're traveling and you want something quickly translated, I think DeepL is a great way for that. So you've got a list of separate languages that you can select over here, and the application works both ways. So of course you can type something here, let's say in German, and translate it into English, but you can also type something in German and translate it back to English. So it can really help you navigate around the city with whatever language that you use. For example, if let's say I want to translate my name is Anubhav into German, all I have to do is type my name is Anubhav, and it is going to translate that into German. And you can also of course listen to the pronunciation.
Mein Name ist Anubhav.
Right? And you can also copy it, you can send it as a text, do whatever you want. And when a good translation application really shines is when you get the actual use out of it in a public scenario. And I think for this reason, this application has no ads, it's super clean, everybody knows how to use it. You've also got your settings where you can basically change nothing, you can rate them on the Play Store because they're a great application. And yeah, you've got a wide array of languages, you can switch the languages from one to the other. I think it's really cool. Definitely be sure to check it out. At number 3, we've got an application called Opera GX, and this is my latest browser that I have been using both on my computer as well as on my phone. So the way Opera GX works is really cool. Number 1, it is extremely fast, so it's definitely going to be faster than any browser you have ever used on your phone. I would say even as fast as Brave, to be exact. The other thing, the main reason why I use this is because I'm using the same on my computer. So over here in Opera GX, you've got something called My Flow, where you can basically share notes for yourself, websites, and also upload attachments either from your phone or from your computer, and basically have a chat thread with yourself. This is really cool because let's say I'm watching something on YouTube on my computer and I want to share that using my phone. I can simply share the link as I have to myself on my computer, and whenever I open the My Flow section on my phone, I can find all of the data over here. Not only that, I can also share different attachments from my phone, so I think that is really helpful to share files within yourself. And of course, since this is a browser that is based for gamers, you've also got a lot of cool gamer features like all the themes and the color accents. However, most of these features shine if you're also using the Opera GX browser on your desktop. Now, the main reason why I switched was because Chrome was getting incredibly buggy for me, so I would highly recommend you guys to check this out if you're in the market for a new browser. And even for smartphones and mobile devices, it's a great browser, so be sure to check it out, and yeah, it'll be linked below. With that said guys, the next application on the list goes by the name of cvDragon. And if you've been having problems creating your curriculum vitae, whether it is because you're changing jobs or you want to apply for your first job, I know a lot of people who have graduated the same year as me, and in case you need a professional minimal place where you can create your digital CV with ease, this is the place. When you open it up for the first time, you've of course got categories of CV profiles, resumes, digital CVs, documents, etc. You can of course view different tutorials, so how to add a custom section to your CV, how to add a page break, and all of that. You can find out how to do that. At the bottom, you've got these templates, or what they call resume designs. For example, there is one over here. All you have to do is click on that, and of course, I have entered a little bit of information here, so that just gets immediately copied. You can download it, change the design, navigate different options, and also preview it. There are a lot of designs over here, so you can really dial in and look for the designs that you want to use. Of course, you've got categories as well. Some of them are paid, most of them are free. So I would highly recommend you to, check out the free ones. As you can see, this is really, really cool. All I have to do is download it from here. And of course, it's going to be downloaded into my device. In case you're looking for an application that you need, for making CVs, or you just want to amp up your CV to another level, cvDragon is something I would highly recommend. Be sure to check it out. Alright guys, next up we've got an application called goDutch, and if you remember, I was using Splitwise a couple of months ago to track the expenses that we split among our friends, but I was also using another application to calculate my budget and my finance expenses and all of that. Then I came across this application. This is goDutch, and it basically lets you do both at the same place. So when you open it up for the first time, as you can see your current spendings. Of course, the app categorizes everything. So if you click on it and see on detailed summary, you can see that there are general, entertainment, food and drink, etc, etc. And of course, you can cycle between different months as well. But if you go back and if you go to split section, over here you can add all of your friends, you can split expenses, and you can even add your rent and all of that. Are you splitting these expenses? And the best part that I found out about this application was the fact that I can also import my balances from an application like Splitwise. So if you're already using Splitwise or another application, you can also do it manually. You can import all of that existing data onto this application, which makes onboarding super simple. So you can get started right away, even if you're using another app. It's one app that combines your budget along with splitting personalities so that you can split expenses with your friends easily. I think this is a must-have application. Be sure to check it out. Next up guys, we've got an application called Compress to PDF. And of course, the app does not sound like anything impressive, but trust me, when I was at the airport, I had to compress my vaccination certificate into a smaller PDF because the airline's website didn't allow PDFs to be above a certain size. It was at a time where the flight was already there and I was running late. I quickly installed this application after searching it on the Play Store. And of course, it helped me so much. So the way the app works, of course, it's very easy to use. You open a PDF file from your phone, you click on it and you hit on compress. It compresses that PDF file. As you can see, this is around 7 megabytes in size, and it's going to compress it into a few KBs. And that is going to be so helpful because it lets you keep the actual data but also save it. See, it was around 7.4 MB, now it's 3.5 MB. This was the regular compression. If you want to change the compression level to, let's say, extreme compression, you can also do the same. And it's just so helpful because at times of emergency where you really need to compress a certain file, this is going to really help you out. So yeah, of course, you can also view your files over here and you can convert everything over here. Not a lot of intrusive ads. The application does what it says, and it's a fast app, so it does that quickly. A real life-saving application if you ever come across a situation like this. So I would highly recommend you to keep it installed on your phone. Last but definitely not the least guys, we've got a wallpaper application from which my current home screen wallpaper is from. In case you like this look, you know what, this is from Pastel Wallpapers. Now this was a paid application. It was about 70 rupees or around $1, but for that amount of money, the amount of high quality wallpapers that you get is really insane. As you can see, when you browse over to the category section, you've got a lot of different sections: abstract, flat pastel colors, flowers and plants, food and drinks, etc, etc. My section is the pastel colored blocks. This is where I found my wallpaper as well. And of course, you can download all of these wallpapers directly to your gallery or save them as your wallpaper using your app of choice. There's of course a lot of other random wallpapers as well, and the app also constantly gets updated. All the wallpapers are clean, all of them are super nice. So if you want the wallpaper that I am rocking on my home screen right now, or if you want a similar wallpaper on your phone, I would highly recommend Pastel Wallpapers. Be sure to check it out. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's Android app video. Hope you guys enjoyed these 7 Android applications for the month of April 2022. And yeah, there'll be a lot of new videos coming soon. And of course, be sure to keep an eye on the vlog channel in case you guys want to see my travel videos as well. With that said guys, this is Anubhav signing out. And yeah, comment below your favorite app. Let me know how you guys like this list, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, stay safe, peace out.